Next question. How many positive integral values of x satisfy a given inequality? So this is the inequality where 2x minus 5 upon x squared minus 7x plus 13 is less than 0. I need to find the positive integral values of x. For that, I need to take care of this expression and this expression. I know the 2x minus 5 divided by this quadratic is less than 0 or this expression is negative. Observing this quadratic equation, it is x square minus 7x plus 13. Finding the discriminant for this equation, b square minus 4ac, that is 52, it is minus 3. So b comes out to be negative for the quadratic expression. And I know this equation, this quadratic equation is having discriminant as negative. So this equation will always be positive, or this equation will look like this with no real roots because discriminant is negative. So it will be always positive for all values of x. This quadratic expression will be positive always. So for this expression to be negative, I know this is always positive. So this expression, that is 2x minus 5, has to be less than 0 to make this whole expression negative. So from here, I get x as less than minus, x less than 5 by 2. So x is less than 2.5. And I need to find how many positive integral values of x satisfying the given inequality. So x can take positive value plus 1, and I need to find positive integral values. So what are the integral values less than 2.5 that are positive? So x equal to 1 and x equal to plus 2 satisfies the condition. So how many positive integral values? Only 2 positive integral values of x satisfy the given inequality. So correct answer in this question is 2 positive integral values. And what are these values? 1 and 2.